Hey everybody, it's your girl Coco, and I am in my bathroom. I am going to be thinking about, I'm thinking about piercing my nose. Yes, my nose is already pierced. I've always wanted, for the longest time, I've wanted a second piercing in my nose. So I ordered a piercing gun kit off of Amazon. And we're gonna do this. I think we're gonna do this. Really nervous. I also ordered 2-in-1 piercing and aftercare and cleanser. This was also ordered off of the internet. Okay, you guys, I can't believe I'm about to do this, but okay. So I'm gonna mark my nose where I want it to be pierced. So hold on a second. I think I want it like right here. That's like a pimple right there, so we're not gonna pierce right there, but I think I want it like right here, so it'll be kind of like adjacent to my other nose ring. That little spot there. Some alcohol, got a cotton ball. I'm now realizing I've already marked my nose and I'm gonna disinfect it, but we'll do it again. Okay. All right, so I've disinfected the area. And let's mark again. Hold on a second. I feel like it might need to be back a little more, maybe. Let me put my nose ring in so I can get a better idea. Hold on a second. Okay. So that I can get an idea how it's gonna be looking. Put my real nose ring in. Why do I have lint on my nose ring? Don't know why I have lint on my nose ring. Okay, so here's my nose ring, and I'm gonna, oh, why do I have lint on my nose ring? Goodness gracious. All right, so I think, is that right? Well, this marker is just about dried out now. About right there. Okay, here we go, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna take out, this is the nose piercing package, and it also comes with alcohol wipes, which I've already disinfected. Oh goodness, okay, oopsies, hold on. So it comes with one piercing gun, has a silver nose ring. This one that I want to use has a gold one. And then what is this one? This is another silver stud with like a black, you can't see the head of it, but it's like another silver stud. So I like gold. I'm gonna do gold. Take it off. Okay, guys, this is happening. This is really happening. This is really happening. This is really happening. Okay, it's not doing anything. Oh, dang it, I just messed. I just broke it. Oh, God. Okay. Okay, I'll do the one with the silver in it, but I'm gonna replace it with the gold one. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay. Is it? All right, hold on, you guys. Okay, let me take out my nose ring. I'm really procrastinating. Oh my God, this is like not happening at all. Oh my God. Okay, you guys. It's in the skin. It's in there. Oh my gosh. It's in there. Okay. Okay. Let's see how it looks with. How do you guys think that looks? I like it. Okay, I wish that the gun, so the gun is not like bam, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. It's definitely a slow process. I think that was like a user issue. I think I was going more slow, but I kind of feel like if you do get this piercing gun to do your nose piercing yourself, I feel like you are going to want to do it fast to get it over with. Pain wise, it did. I kind of have a high tolerance for pain, but I did get a little watery in this eye, in my right eye. My right, your left. So that is one thing. But like I said, I have a high tolerance of pain. So, and I'm just going to take this Piercing Aftercare Cleanser. And hold on, let me get Q-tips. Let me get a Q-tip. So I got a Q-tip. I'm going to take this advanced. This is wet because it fell in the sink. Hold on a second. Okay, so this is the StudX Advanced 2-in-1 Piercing Aftercare and Cleansing solution. This is a 3-week application is what it says here. It's a 3-week application. So I am just going to spray a little bit on, but first I want to go over my piercing with some alcohol. I don't know if that's recommended, but I just want to do that. We go with the lint. Okay. I'm sorry, you guys. This lint is annoying me. Okay. And this is the Q-tip that I have applied on StudX formula. And I'm just going to press to try to get down in that hole with the solution. And push it down. Other nose ring. Push it down. I feel like after it heals, I feel like the small one should go in the front and the big one in the back. So after the piercing, my nose feels a little runny. It's a minimal, very minimal amount of blood. So very minimal amount of blood. The pain was very minimal, although I did have like a little bit of wateriness come from one eye, but that's me. I have a high tolerance of pain. For me, I just feel like I've endured labor pains, so I can if this piercing was nothing. But yeah, this is my nose piercing. Tell me what you guys think.